Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Video tonight's going to be really quick. Having major internet problems with Comcast, wonderful Comcast. So right now get the videos out. I'm doing it through a tethered cell phone. All right, daily chart. Tesla came down to the bottom of the rotation zone, 12.5% rotation, and rotating back up. So now we have a clear line in the sand. We'll be watching above 991.50 tomorrow. Above there, we'll start watching for about 1,011, which was this little resistance shelf, and above there, a return to 1,027.38. If we trade below today's low, which would also put us below the rotation zone, which is 937.15, we'll start watching for 908.50 and below that. Then our next target would be 858 area. I think that's 858 area, which is also where the rising 50 is. So that's how we're looking at it. If it rotates back up here, then we have a triple top, and then these targets are invalid since the double never triggered. But we're still in territory where the double could trigger. So that's what we have for you on Tesla. Hope everyone had a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.